Hello, welcome back, children. And again, the last part of the poem, I made the video at least 5 times and I was not able to upload it. So I'm doing it now. Anyways, it's not your fault, so let me just welcome you. I welcome you back to Birches. I was, I think, I actually wanted to, there was 5 minutes which I recorded really beautifully. I recorded it at least 5 times. One was 5 minutes, one was 3 minutes, one was 1.5 minutes, one was something else. The 5 minute one was like really fertile. I was really into the flow, but again, I'll try and do something about it. So he says, uh, I'd like to get away from Earth a while and then come back to it and begin over. Now, this is beautiful. However much problematic the world is, you know, you've all done so many poems which tell you about the problems in the world, which tell you about how world is full of trials and tribulations and miseries and sort of decomposition and degradation, spiritual, mental, all sorts. You've seen you've seen in your this thing at corona time, what kind of horrible degradation has humanity come into. Your child is suffering from corona, just leave her or him in the hospital and run away. Your mother is suffering from corona, don't get and take the dead body. All that you have seen. How horrible is this world? But look at the problem. Keats also tells you in the Grecian urn, uh, your WBX tells you in Byzantium. However the world is, we still want to come back to it. हम लोग पूरे जिंदगी शिकायत करते रहते हैं. We keep complaining our lives through. We just keep complaining like this is not there, that is not there, this is what is happening, this is what is happening. But at the end of the day, what do you want to do? You still want to come back to this, and that is the beauty. You want to come back to this place. So he says, and then come back to it and begin over. So he says, all those cobwebs that you've been talking about, I think I have told you in the last one, I keep forgetting, so I'll just repeat. You had done Battle of Books by Swift and the Bee and the Spider allegory, and you know that the spider stands for something that's decomposition. You stand for degradation. It is trying to entangle, so entanglements of miseries and disease and sorrow and losing people and losing love and losing whatever. So basically, in spite of all that, you want to come back. He said, I'd like to come, get away from earth a while, just for a little while. He wants to get away from this earth and then come back and begin over. He wants to start his life all over again. May not fate willfully and misunderstand me and half grant what I wish and snatch me away not to return. Now this is a beauty. He says, आप लोग mostly Indians कहते हैं, हमारे यहाँ कहा जाता है ना कि गंदी बातें मत बोलो ना, डोंट स्पीक स्टूपिड थिंग्स, क्योंकि कई बार जैसे इन इस्लाम इट इज सेड के फरिश्ते आपके कंधे पे बैठे रहते हैं, वो आमीन कह देते हैं. और फिर या फिर ये होता है कि आप लोगों को ये कहा जाता है कि कभी देवी हाँ कर देती हैं या देवी सुन के हाँ कर देती हैं, वो चीज़ सच हो जाती है. सो ये यहाँ पर उसी चीज़ से डर रहे हैं. ऐसे कह रहे हैं कि फेट यानी कि डेस्टिनी, गॉड, किस्मत, व्हाटएवर. ही सेज, willfully misunderstand me. I'm repeating it that I want to go for a while and come back again and begin over. I'm not saying that I want to go forever. I just hope God does not hear half and just take me away from forever from this earth. Half grant the wish, just partially grant me the wish and then take me off forever from here. Okay. Earth's the right place for love. Now, love has many connotations, children. Love can be interpreted in many different ways. So he says, Earth's the right place for love. Earth is the right place to enjoy. No, love is definitely not the romantic love. It's filial love, your love for parents, your love for your children, your love for God, your love for spirituality, your love for nature, your love for, in the sense what he means to say. See, children, we have only seen this life. We do not know what other life is all about. So in this life there is all sorts of love, and he says, this is what I know and I only want to know this much. So earth is the best place for love. I don't know where it's likely to go better. Okay, so he does not, he says ki if it reminds you of something, it would definitely remind you of To be or not to be, that is the question. So Hamlet there is saying that यहाँ की जो sorrows हैं, they are known sorrows. If I die and go to the other world, I do not know about those sorrows. I do not know what kind of a world it is. So basically, it is better to be in the place where you know whether it is sorrowful or joyful. It is better to be enjoying what you know about, rather than going to a place or to a world which you do not know about at all. So this is nice. I'd like to go by climbing a birch tree and climb back branches up a snow white trunk towards heaven. He says, and my way of reaching the heaven for some time and then coming back is that I'm going to climb a birch tree, all the black branches, the snow white trunk of it, I will just towards heaven, which goes straight towards heaven, till the tree could bear no more. And then I will keep climbing up till the tree bends. It cannot take my weight anymore. It bends down, but dip did stop and set me down again. And this is very beautiful, children. Mother Nature knows you very well. Mother Nature understands us very well. You won't believe me. You might find it very ridiculous. But sometimes when I go and tell my plant, oh, I've been waiting for you to flower. Believe you me, it flowers. I don't know, I have this kind of a connection with Mother Nature, which makes me understand these amazing poets and writers really well, because they write something very mystical, and I guess you have to have that kind of a sort of wavelength with nature to actually get into that connection, that harmony, that equilibrium that we always try to search in our lives, and that makes our lives better. So he says, till the tree could bear no more. The tree starts actually then hanging down, breaking because of his weight, and then the tree then sets him down on the ground. So he will go up, climb up the trunk, climb up the branches, and then till the time the weight cannot be taken anymore, and then the tree bends down and puts him back, as if now the tree, how amazing, how is the tree being taken over here? It's just like a father figure. The tree will actually, you are climbing your father, there is the security of his hands which is all around you, and then the father will then make you climb wherever you want to climb, and then he'll very softly bring you back to Mother Earth. This is beautiful. How they look at things is just amazing. Okay. Up a snow white trunk towards heaven till the tree would bear no more, and the tree will not be able to take my weight anymore. It will put me down, but dip did stop and set me down again. It will dip its branches and put me back to the floor, back to the ground, back to where I was. Okay, and this can mean so many other things. It's like poetic interpretations. This can go on and on. I have interpreted that this could be the father figure. I can interpret this. You'll not find it in books. This is my own interpretation, and I dare people challenge it. That's okay. So, yeah. And then, dipping back and putting you back to security is so many more things. When you want to purge out in life, when you want to do something exceptional in life. I remember girls coming to my tuitions for English from very conservative families where their parents had not gone to school. They were totally uneducated. There was nobody educated in the family. And I remember they wanted to speak in English, and I actually helped them speak in English. And they were so shy. They just didn't know what to do. They just said, "Oh, ma'am, we'll go back home, and if you want to speak in English, everybody will start laughing at us." And I said, "Don't worry. No worries. Perch. Fly. Spread your wings. Do what is beautiful. Do what the heart says. Never. I still remember, this is Hadoti where they say, petrol, bag, madam. My ears hurt. And I tell them. So I said, it's not petrol. It's not tempo. It's not college. It's not madam. And I tell you, it's madam. It's college. It's, I keep telling them when I used to have massive big classes like of 70 students. And they used to laugh and they say, "Ma'am, अगर हम जाके कहेंगे कि पेट्रोल भर दे तो कहेगा क्या?" So तो पेट्रोल ही बोलना पड़ेगा मैडम वहाँ पर. Constraint से बाहर निकलना. So this tree is teaching Robert Frost to get out of that cozy nest, of that comfort zone that you're in. Try and achieve something new and become Chopras. You get gold medals for the country, gold medals for yourself. this happens. These are beautiful lines, This says that, when we want to perch out, we want to, I'm using perch out. This is definitely not a word. I speak this. Perch, you sit. Perch is refuge, security. When I say perch out, means break out of your security zone, break out of your comfort zone. Try and do something which has not been done. Don't worry what people would say. It barely matters until and unless you get success. Nothing succeeds like success. So when you get success, everything becomes right. If you are not successful, the right thing also becomes wrong, right? But the tree teaches him. So this is this that I want to go, touch heaven, come back, only possible with the help of the birches. Okay, and that would be good, both going and coming back. And now see, you want to have it's important. It's lovely. They say in English, you can't have the cake and eat it too. I mean, you can't possess and eat. Once you eat, it's out of possession. So basically what happens is, he says both the things. I want to go to heaven and come back also very swiftly, because this earth is a lovely place for love. What could do worse than be a swinger of birches? And he said, what more beauty in life than just be the swinger of birches? Have absolute, freedom. Don't depend on anybody to take you to Los Angeles and Honolulu and New York. Just be in your village. Get the best amusement, entertainment out of Mother Nature that she can afford. You don't have to bother how the rich boys and girls have fill their beer mugs and play baseball and badminton, and they play whatever. Doesn't matter. Don't worry about that at all, and just enjoy. This is the beauty of life. Just enjoy. Just see that little things in life can give you the pleasure that the biggest things in life cannot. And you must have seen this in your life a lot, beta. छोटी सी चीज़ आपको इतना खुशी दे जाती है. It makes you feel so happy and contented that you really feel कि हम लोग बड़ी बड़ी चीज़ों के पीछे भागते हैं, and ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें, they give us that kind of an amazing kind of solace and comfort. This was Birches for you. I want to complete this. I think I'm left over with one more poem, and that is, I think, The Road Not Taken. I shall do that in another lecture with you. Here I wanted to just, I had three things in my mind, children. One is, are you all listening to these videos? If you're listening, please subscribe also, because that is important to me. If I'm making an effort, if you subscribe, then it goes to the directorate that I am being subscribed. If you have any question, one is please subscribe. Second, if you have any questions, you can please put them on WhatsApp. I had requested Astha to open it for you so that you could put questions to me, and I'm definitely going to answer those questions. Number 2. Number 3, very importantly, children, start writing your answers. I have always mentioned certain books to you, which I do not want to mention again and again, but I have certainly given you some. I have mentioned certain books to you, and they have good answers in them. They have quotations in them, but you could go online, get the summary of the poem, and get beautiful quotations, and get a beautiful introduction of the poet. So what I'd rather, importantly, that you're in MA final this year, so definitely now you'll have your exams only in March and April. Okay, before that we are expecting that we are going to have MA previous and second year also. I'm not wanting to scare you, but somewhere this suggestion has come, and be very open-minded about how it is going to happen. If there is, because I'm teaching you MA final, I've taught you MA previous also.